Ayan, dito tayo sa Nike. Nike Store Outlet. I like this color. Display. As 125, now it's $59.99. $54.99, $100. $49.99, $70. Nike. $79.99, $100 originally. Wow, this is good gel. I love this. Oh, look at this. Handsome. $79.99.
Now we're gonna see his
Items. Let's be shoppers. Shoes. This is ladies' shoes. $115. And now $79.99 is Jordan. Oh, pretty. $115. Oh, with the hairy, like solid black. Nice. $210. Now it's $109.99. Wow, look at this. Handsome. This one is $130. $89.99 now. Pretty. $130. $89.99. High cut. This is a high cut for $95. Now it's $59.99. Jordan. This one is walking shoes. Look at the pretty pink. It's $95. Now it's $54.99. So it's black. $90. It says Jumpman. $90 for $69.99. So this one is a regular price. $90. So it's not sale. That is pretty. Look at this. Nike. And this one is $95, $74.99. At this very pretty yellow Lego. $125. Now is $79.99. Kids shoes. Comfort. Look at this. Very comfortable. And this Nike Rebellion. This is good shoes. Yellow. And this one is kids shoes for $58. Now it's $39.99. Back to school. And that's Star Runner. Star Runner. Nice. Ayan, same thing. $90. Now it's $44.99. Air Max. Air Max. Nice shoes. Air Max. $85. Worth it. Boots for kids. Beautiful Nike. Look at that. And that's $60. Now it's $44.99. This is kids shoes. Ladies sportwear. And look at this. Jogging pants. Very flexible. Spandex for walking or working out. This is nice. So this is ladies sportwear. Workout. Men's. All crop. Look at, wow. This is for men's. Backpack. I love this. Look at this one, guys. I love the color. It's an oversized backpack, and this one is much $75. Here. And this one is man sportwear workout. And that's large $19.99. This is man shoes. Look at that. It's huge. Beautiful. Nike. Look at that. And here, it's only $29. $29. Comfy ride. And that's $160. This is woman's. Look at this beauty. That's $220. Now it's $164.99. And this one, $145. It's $114.99. Look at the beauty. There's black, favorite, everybody's favorite color. Yes. Pegasus body. $130. Now $69.99. This one is white and striped gray for $149. $140. 70.